Good afternoon. Today is the 2nd of September.
And for one last time with Blade 1, as he pulls up into the vertical,
Bournemouth,
he's going to perform a gyroscopic
on the
manoeuvre
southern
for
coast
you,
of
in which
England.
he flicks the tail over the nose of the aircraft.
And this is
is
definitely one of the pricier seaside resorts that I've been so far yet. And well, the one in
And if we look out to our 12
also
o'clock,
quite nice, but this
Blades
one
2
is
and 3
definitely
will pull up,
a lot more
and they're going to
hotels.
perform the half and new manoeuvre that we've added to our display this year. And Andy Evans would like to dedicate that to his partner, Nancy, and his son, Ted. It's Ted's first time watching Andy display, so I hope he's enjoying
It's
it.
absolutely a spectacular day, and I just didn't even know about this air show.
And as they come back round to finish their pairs work, Kirsty Murphy will be calling the manoeuvres for their break. And as I said, Kirsty Murphy is flying in Blade 3 position today. She has over 23 years of flying experience. She flew the Tornado in the area and was the first ever female Red Arrow, and remains the only ever female Red Arrow, in fact, and we are delighted to have her back for a second year for Blades. And as they call each other,